Did Dilophosaurus ever see a bald eagle, or any eagle for that matter? No. Did Triceratops ever see a bald eagle, or any eagle for that matter? No. Did Stegosaurus ever see a bald eagle, or any eagle for that matter? No. Did Parasaurolophus ever see a bald eagle, or any eagle for that matter? No. Dinosaurs only lived in the Mesozoic era, which stretched from 250 million years ago to 65 million years ago. The very first birds evolved from feathered dinosaurs during the Jurassic period in the middle of the Mesozoic era. And birds have diversified into two lineages by the end of the Cretaceous when the mass extinction occurred. But there were no modern types of birds, including no hawks and eagles, and certainly no bald eagles, in the Mesozoic era. While birds first evolved in the Mesozoic era and branched into many lineages, these lineages were quite distinct from those alive today. They still had teeth, clawed, grasping fingers, a long reptilian tail, and many of the features which define modern birds. Many of those which would give them the ability to fly efficiently, these evolved over very long periods of time gradually. And so eagles simply weren't possible during the Mesozoic era. There were no ancestors which had yet attained the basic anatomical characteristics which the ancestors of eagles would possess. By the time the dinosaurs became extinct, apparently some of the lineages of modern birds had begun to split apart, such as that leading to the big flightless birds in southern continents, and also the lineage leading to waterfowl and chickens. The order Accipitriformes, which includes birds of prey such as hawks, eagles, vultures, and kites. This would also include the osprey, the secretary bird. It would not, however, include falcons. This bird order arose early in the Cenozoic era after the extinction of the dinosaurs, at least by the Eocene epoch. Birds of the family Accipitridae. This includes hawks, eagles, kites, harriers, and Old World vultures. This is an old bird order, older than most, first appearing in the fossil record by the early Eocene epoch around 50 million years ago. Within the family Accipitridae, are all eagles related, having descended from a common ancestral eagle? No. Actually, there are three subfamilies in that family which contain birds which are large and called eagles, including the booted eagles, like the golden eagles, which have feathers going down to their toes. The bald eagle is thus not closely related to many of the eagles in the world. Bald eagles belong to a subfamily of eagles known as the sea eagles or fish eagles. They have existed since the Middle Miocene, about 16 million years ago. All modern members feed primarily on fish, but can supplement their diets with waterfowl and mammals. All are brown in color as juveniles, but all but one of them have some white feathers, or at least whitish cream colored feathers as adults. The white-tailed eagle from Europe and Asia is very closely related to the bald eagle, and their respective juveniles are hard to distinguish between. All of them have thicker bills than found in golden eagles. Perhaps being more social, they have to eat more quickly before some members of their group come to take their food, or perhaps thicker bills have a role in courtship. Like most modern sea eagles, the species of bald eagle is only known since the Pleistocene epoch, from about 300,000 years ago or so.